Hey everyone, this is Sanjay and welcome to my YouTube channel SanjaysWay. In this video, I will going to show you how to apply for police check in Australia. If you are an international student or if you are in any other visa like any working related visa, you need to have police check first to get hired in any places. So these days, any companies before they hire you, they ask you for a police check. So I will show you easily how to get police check like within 1 hour. You will get the police check within 1 hour. So yeah, I will go with national police check. You can use you can there are lots of options to go through. Like you can use Fit to Work who provide the national police check. You can use the national police check website as well. You can use the Australian Federal Police check as well. You can use whichever you want. But I will show you using the national police check today. fit2work.com. So here start my Australian police check. So I will just enter my name here, family name, email. Okay, just I'm a robot. So it will create Fit2Work account for me. So it already created. So I'll just continue it. So I have to add my basic details here. I'll show you how to do. So I have to add my date of birth. I'll add randomly 5/12/2008. Oh, okay, 2001. So I'm adding it randomly. Birth country, I was born in Nepal, so birth country Nepal. This is my, so I have to add my phone number. Gender is obviously male, and then I do not have given, oh sorry, I have made a given name. I do not have middle name. My given name is Sanjay. So this you have to. So here you have to add your address. So here is address auto. So street number, suburb, state, and then unit number, street, country. So you have to add the details very carefully here. So this is your current residential details. So please try not to make mistakes on it. And then and here and the email ID, because they will send your police check in your email ID. So do not make mistakes on email ID. Purpose of Australian police check. So they will ask for the purpose of Australian police check. So which position you are going to apply and which companies you are going to apply. There is, so I'll put accountant, and then employer name I'll just put focus. So location town I'll post in Sydney. State New South Wales. Okay, I consent, yes. I consent, yes. So click on next. So this is the all details you have to fill very carefully. Try not to make mistakes on it. Basic details, birthplace is required. Where are they asked for the birthplace? Nepal. Born in Nepal, so Nepal, I put in Nepal. So next. So you have to add details based on your passport. Okay. So previous is name. I have previous is no. I don't have any previous name. I have lived at the same address for the last 5. No. So no previous address. So previous address. If you have lived there from last 5 years, then you don't need to add any previous address. But if you do not, then you have to add previous address. So I'll just put it yes for now. You have to add, if you just arrived in Australia, then obviously yes, no. So where did you live in last 5 years? So just put the details here. Okay, so if you come from India, if you come from Nepal, if you come from Pakistan or any other country, just put the details here. It's very easy. So I'll put it here yes for now. Now the most important things is, before applying to police check, we need the 4 ID documents. One document containing your photo. You can add your passport. One document containing your date of birth. You can add your like photo ID. If you don't have photo ID, just go to the service and SW and make it. It's very easy. All 4 documents containing the same full name and details as you provided in the previous screen. So like I said, you have to be very careful on the on this section, basic details, because when they check, they will check that details on your document that you provided to them. You can provide bank card, student ID card, and then date of birth related, that means a photo ID and the passport. It is enough. Or if you have a Australian driver license, if you have a driver license, you can add the document driver license as well. So here you have to add ID documents, and then only you can go next. So before going to next, I have to add the ID documents. So guys, this is the last one. You have to be upload your document here. You have to be add your document here. That must be photo ID, a student card, bank card, and then passport, driver license, or any other document you have. So you can add these things and check details. Just check details. There's the review section, and then pay. At last you have to pay $49.99. So that's the all things you have to do. This is the police check is very important in Australia. Any job you are going to apply or any job you are doing, they will ask you the police check. So it's better you make the police check and be ready. So this is all about today. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. And if someone just came to Australia, just share the link to them. Thank you so much. See you in next video.